What's up guys, we're back here with another video this week, and in this week's video we're going to talk about all things Chatbot. Anything from what it is, why you need it, how to implement it, and maybe some recommendations that I would recommend for you to use in your very first time going through this process. So if you want to learn more about all the things that I have to say about website chatbots and exactly why you need it, how to install it, and which ones you might want to consider, then be sure to keep on watching. Alright, so the biggest reason why you might want to use a website chatbot is to capture leads and qualified leads that aren't really getting qualified right now. And so what I mean by this is to say that you have someone that's currently surfing the web, they're searching their website, and they get to the checkout page, and maybe they're just like super frustrated by the layout of the website, they can't find the information that they want, they're just frustrated and they want some solutions right now, and you can't really do anything because you're not actively on the site, you don't have anything that can really get to them, solve their issues right away, other than just having your website live right now. And so this is where a website chatbot really helps you as the business owner to capture those people that are really frustrated and that just disappear after maybe a minute or two of searching your website. And if you guys are curious about what a chatbot on a website looks like, it can look like this, or this. But pretty much just to say that it's a pretty small thing in addition to your website that is super helpful, because if people are just scrolling on your website really lost about what in the world they're going to be looking for and what kind of things that they want to look for, they can use your chatbot to get that answer right away. And that can be done in two different ways. And the very first way is actually having a live agent on hand. So your chatbot can actually be a two-direct communication channel between the seller and the online user directly, so that they can really find the answers that they want immediately if they don't already have it online on the website right away. Number two is that your customer can go through your online chatbot as a funnel to really either get more information about what they want to learn more, or even just submit an email so that they can learn more from you later on. And so those are pretty much the reasons why you want to use it, and also how it really helps you really nurture the leads that you really want to capture that you aren't already getting just yet. And you guys are probably curious exactly how do I implement it? Implementing a third-party chatbot is the easiest thing that you can do. It's literally copy and pasting a script onto your website, and pretty much all the edits that you do on your chatbot on the other website will be implemented instantly to your web browser that has the chatbot on the left or right bottom screen. And at this point, you're probably curious about exactly which ones should I use. There are so many out there, and if you search up chatbot on the Google search right now, I bet you're probably gonna get like a bunch of Google ads, paid ads, that are probably just bombarding you with low prices, benefits, all these other things, and you're probably just sitting there like, oh, it's too much going on. This video is not sponsored by any providers of chatbots, but the three providers that I'd probably recommend based on my experiences and experiences of other people that I've heard in the past are Instabot.io, Zendesk, and also Botify. These are the three ones I would really recommend. And in terms of implementing it, it's again super easy. All you have to do is just copy and paste code onto the web browser, onto the website, so that it's also a reactive way of making your changes on your chatbot. If you have any changes like visual looks, channel final passages, email subscriptions, all this stuff. If you want to change the color as well, all that is done through the third service provider, so you don't need to really worry about that on the coding side. And the reason why I really like website chatbots is because, for me at least, when I'm on the other side being an inside salesperson, trying to communicate with people and trying to learn more about what they need, I'm really able to really be there for them. For any online user, being able to really communicate with someone online that you didn't really expect them to be there in the first place, it's pretty touching to realize that there is an actual person on the other side of the website that is like, hey, if you're frustrated, tell me what your problem is. I'm going to help you solve it, and they will help you instantly. And to know that, for me at least, from a brand perspective, that is super awesome. So for any companies that are really just starting out, I would really recommend doing a website chatbot, because if your team is really small and you have the capacity to do the inside sale leads, to get them really excited, really hyped to learn more about your product, then why not do that? It's actually not that expensive. Like, if you think about it, per month it may be from $50 to $120 USD a month, which is not a lot if you consider kind of the leads that are coming in from the chatbot alone. So make sure you really consider having a chatbot on your website. Alright guys, so that's pretty much all the things that I have to say about a website chatbot, how to install it, which ones you might want to consider for your website, and also really why you need it. And it's really hard to find really good chatbot nowadays, but the 3 that I have recommend for you guys are the ones that I personally have interacted with and used in the past. So I would really recommend them because their user interfaces are super easy to use, and it's also easy to communicate with other people on the other line, which is the most important part of the website chatbot. If you guys did like this video, be sure to give it a big thumbs up and also hit that subscribe button because I post videos here on this channel every Sunday on all things online marketing. Thanks so much for watching guys, and I'll see you guys next week.